We did look at a variety of other consultants to help us basically provide the fundamentals of how to put in place some lean product development principles and approaches. And having done a review of what's and who's out there, it looked like Katherine's organization was the best one. That was, I think, a key piece, is that she did have the fundamentals. It was clear that she had the experience in the practicalities of doing product development, although not in our particular area, was able to translate it into a form that was meaningful to our organization and laid the foundation for continued development, which has occurred. I think her matter of fact, plain speaking, this is the way it is type of approach, I think people can relate to that. It wasn't high-minded, thinking that her experience was somehow not relevant, and her ability to translate it into those relatively simple and straightforward terminologies and functionality. Although product development as a general concept and a business process is very similar across industries, there are some terminology and there are some differences, lingo or semantics, and she was able to pick up on that difference and translate and make it meaningful for our organization. I think she could bring a lot to any organization. I think that first of all, bringing the fundamentals, depending on the status of the organization, the level of maturity of the organization for a lean product development, business process development would be a good place to start. But it's clear to me that she has a lot more beyond that to offer that can take an organization onto that next step. So depending on the maturity of the organization, fundamentals, intermediate, or perhaps an advanced in something more specified would be, I think, an appropriate place to work with Katherine. I think the key piece is that it did lay the foundation and has continued to grow in our organization and continues to develop. So the foundation that was laid through our work with Katherine did provide us the forum to set up and begin to build on that foundation so that it's growing and will continue to grow. I see this is not a one-time batch process, a continuous process of development of the business processes around lean product development, and will continue to be, and that's what she brought to the table, was the fundamentals that we are building on right now.